Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So, early morning, we had some rain last night, so the track is wet. So right now, I'm the first one out here. Right now, we're gonna let this dry, and then the plan is to get some on roads, probably back here where it's dry at, run that until this get dry, and then we'll start drag racing. So hopefully a few of the guys supposed to be bringing out on roads. I'm gonna run R8. I also brought an Italian out. I didn't get a chance to get the body or the tires yet, but just wanted to see if everything was good with it. But throw some batteries in this and probably run it over there, and then wait for everybody else to get here, see if they burn their cars, and then we'll go from there. I don't want to set up the track yet. I want the ground to dry. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, y'all. She's on 4S, just messing around right here in a quick dry spot. Got the steering tucked down. What? A ramp? Yeah. You got a ramp too? Yeah. Trevor's got a new toy to play with. I think it's a beast, and it's only on 4S. Nice. Look at that thing. You can just go over anything with it. Nice driving. I'd have saved some tires right there for sure. Yeah. We'll try it. What hit?
You ready? Yep. Go.
You would have been right with me if you would have kept that car going straight.
You driving one-handed?
Yeah. It got ABC, so it's gonna go straight every time. So it come back straight, everything.
Drivers ready?
Yep.
Lock, set, go.
I might be dead. I shut off.
Trevor drove the shit out of it, but Russ took it.
Go ahead. The fellas got something to tell me.
Got in the car. Your son got in the car real quick. We all pulled up.
Yeah.
So we want to thank you for the season, all the time and everything you put into it. So we got you a little something as an appreciation for what you've done this season.
Definitely deserve it.
Oh, wow.
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that. I appreciate
You
it.
deserve it. We appreciate you. Thank you for all that you do for us.
Yeah, I'm speechless. That was awesome.
You guys are a great crew, so thanks to you guys.
Yeah, thanks to you guys. For sure. Always be there. Oh, yeah. Appreciate y'all.
Correcto.
Christmas morning.
Use that for anything, your house, anything.
Yeah, it came early.
Never go without power.
Try to keep the box.
And it's quiet and neighbor friendly.
That's a big right there.
Oh, it come with oil too?
After you get through the whole thing,
That's sweet.
The oil and everything.
Yeah, that's sweet.
It's heavy, it's so That's a good one. Yeah. That's not one of the
Great bunch of guys right here.
I don't care if it's gonna flip.
that's not an opposite. Right. That's a good one.
Serious generation shit.
Oh yeah. Brand new.
Nah, we bought it used, John.
Brand new out of the box.
It fell off the truck in front of me.
Oh, you opened the door and it fell out?
No, door was already open. Let's get that straight.
We gotta take this side of it. Put the
It's
oil
good
in
because
it.
it makes all the power and it's compact.
Oh, you know what?
No, it came with it.
It comes with it.
Oh, it came with the toolkit.
There you go.
I've seen that too.
Driver ready? Watch the light. Nice. 3-1 at 35. Driver's ready. Watch the light. You gotta get someone here. You almost had to do that. I'd have gave it to him. You got 230 jersey at 72. 315 at 33.
Yep.
Watch the light that was the fly. 226 at 73. 73. I did not stutter.
Brian the fool. Excuse me, fellas. I'm sorry. I'm just coming through over here. Let me just get up in a parking spot over there. All right now. Bendito, cabrón.
Hey, Pecan Jones. Okay, go ahead. Thank you.
We got the testing line going on. Shout out to the locals that came out today.
Stage 2. Driver's ready. Watch the light. Nope. Right, watch the light.
We got the this side still drying, so everybody's testing on the left side so far.
Driver ready. Watch the light. 3-1 at 3-1-0.
All right.
Gotta go some nose.
I got some questions for the drivers. So this is Josh, ladies and gentlemen. How was your season this year, Josh?
Blast. Good people, good vibes. Good race tech right here. Can't go wrong.
Benji, how was your season this year?
Oh, awesome. I learned a lot.
That's what's up. How was your season this year, Brian?
It was good, it was good.
Brian, you know flying, Brian. How was your season?
Good, can't complain.
You? How was your season this year?
Good.
Had a good season? Oh, we got High Reverend Kevin here.
Hi, Reverend Kevin, coming
Tell the
at
people
you.
how was your season this year?
Pretty good. We made some good RPMs. Oh yeah. We're getting big on the high end there. Yeah, we're doing good.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Gotta watch out for that guy next season. We got Russ
What's
here.
up? I'm just here for the food.
Got Russ. That's Russ, baby.
Here
right
we
there.
go. New body for next year, for
Yeah.
2022.
It's coming. It's coming. It's gonna be a good season.
Whoa!
We got Carlos over here.
Got it.
Carlos,
How are you?
how was your season this year? Good?
Good.
Good
Perfect.
season?
Yeah.
Had a good
I like
time?
it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks for coming out. You too.
Waiting for the next.
Yes, for
Yeah.
sure, for sure.
Yeah.
210, he said? All right, y'all, we're gonna go to Charlie over here. Charlie, how's it going? How was your season this year, Charlie? Charlie said, ups and downs, rough?
A little bit here and there.
Okay. He's still here fighting through it, though. Shout out to Charlie, man. Kev, how was your season this year? Tell the people how was your season.
It's a family show, right?
Have you made it to it?
Not that good, really.
But he's still here. You see him. He's still here. All right, we got John and Russ. How was y'all guys' season this year?
Oh, we're loving life over here. Loving life.
Very good. I ain't got no trophies on my table.
There's the hardware right there.
All right.
It's gonna be sad when the season's over. We're gonna find a mill going or something.
Yeah, for real.
Usually on my table, a broken car.
Yeah, he's got like 4 of them to go back to, so he's all set.
Yeah, it was a good season.
It was an awesome season.
It ain't over yet.
It ain't over yet.
It ain't over. Never say it's over till the fat lady sings.
Yes, that's for sure. Did you guys learn anything this year?
Of course we
A
did.
lot. Yeah,
We
that's
all got fast.
yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah, money can't buy wins.
Yeah, thanks to all the fellas that made this a great season, man. It was a great season. One of the best seasons yet. Yes, that's for sure. Next season gonna be even better. All right, guys, stay tuned for some more Tested Tune, and then we'll get into the races. I caught it late, but he was heating them tires up for about 30 seconds straight.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
They needed some more heat, huh?
Started busting. It was a little hot on that.
Walk past at 15 miles an hour.
Use the concrete, man, to burn out your tires on there. Either one. Yeah. Maybe put a foot on the carpet. Yeah, I mean, yeah. This tire is spinning, so lift it up a little bit more. Yeah. Need diff fluid. Need diff fluid. Only one tire heating up. Left side. It is spinning.
Drivers ready. Watch the light.
Yeah, you keep letting go. You scared? Car get faster. You
3-2 at 32.
I don't want to hear when it says 3.
Got some tire shooting out of it.
You seen it, right? Whole body trembled.
3 out at 41.
It's coming out of there. Let me use that computer to turn this thing up.